here, and you have your log on the other side. So we'll draw a line. So the first digit, the first number we can see here is 0.4573. Okay, so we're going to find the logarithm of 0.4573. So we reflect it here, and then we'll find the logarithm of 0.6834, and we reflect it here. Then we add the powers because multiplication signifies addition. So what's the logarithm of 0.4573? We go to our calculator. Our first step, how many leading zeros are here? Just one. So we have bar 1 point. So we are now looking for the logarithm of 4.573. Log 4.573. And that gives us 0.6602. 0.6602. Remember, you're only taking the mantissa. You've already gotten your characteristic. And then the next one, we still have 10. That means bar 1 point. So we are looking for the logarithm of 6.834. And that gives us 0.8347. 0.8347. So the next step is to add. Now you've gotten the powers, that is the logarithms. So you will now add it up together. So 2 plus 7 gives us what? 9. 0 plus 4 is 4. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 8 is 14. We're going to carry over 1. Now, before we add that our 1, let us add these two negatives here. So minus 1 plus minus 1, that simply means minus 1 minus 1. And that is minus 2. So remember the 1 we are going to add, that means minus 2 plus 1, and that still gives us minus 1. So we have our minus 1. So this thing called bar 1 is actually negative 1. But remember, this negative affects only the characteristic. It doesn't affect the mantissa. So now, this is the result of your addition, but that's not the final answer. The final answer would now be when you find the anti-log of this one, the anti-logarithm of this one. And how do we find anti-logarithms? First, all you need to do is look for the anti-log of 0.4949. And when you find the anti-log, your characteristic is going to determine how many zeros before the point.